This is AKASO Brave 7, and today I will show how you can clear the gallery on this camera. So in the beginning, take your action camera, switch it on, and once you see the viewfinder, swipe to the left from the right edge of the display. This opens the media storage, and now you want to tap at this grid icon to go further into the gallery. Now select whether you would like to clear all photos or videos, then tap at this button. Now you can select those files one by one, or you can tap over here to select all media files of the chosen type, photo or video respectively. Once everything you want to erase is selected, press the trash bin icon to confirm deletion, and then confirm it once again. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.